Hey guys, wanted to welcome you in today. Just take a look at this new project we've been working on. We had one prior video on it, but we didn't have a chance to really dig into any of the finishes we were putting in this place. So today I wanted to show you a video of where we're at this point. You can see behind me, we've got a lot of the glass in the upper interior windows. We've got doors in, lighting in, starting to use up a lot of these old doors that we've been collecting through the years, and going to try to use as many as we can on this project. So let's take a walk through, show you this space and some of the items that we're using to try to repurpose them into something new, keeping them out of the dumpster and the landfill and just giving them a new home. So check this out. Let me know what you think in your comments there at the bottom. And as always, if you like these videos that we're putting out, please like them and also subscribe so you get a chance to see the future ones when they come out too. Thanks a lot for watching.
So as you can see, we tried doing something a little bit different on this build. Instead of making a front porch on the exterior of the building, we actually inserted it towards the inside. It gave us this covered stoop that we were able to build a new interior wall. We used this old door, even a door on the ceiling to make our porch ceiling. And then we used the James Hardie fiber cement siding to finish it all off. Now stepping into this space, you can see it steps down 2 steps down to the main floor space. We had a difference in height from the outside sidewalk to the finished floor on the inside. Now remember, this space was existing, so all the concrete floors inside were existing that we had to work with. We've built all of these interior walls trying to reuse items that we had. You saw there at the very top we had window openings. We're trying to get light from the exterior of the building into the inside space. Because we only have windows on one side, we were trying to come up with a creative way to let the natural light still flow through without having to cut any more exterior windows in this exterior block wall. What you're looking at now is the main living room area. You can see the 2 large doorways with transoms. Those are to the 2 bedrooms, looking back into the main foyer at the entrance to this space. And then this doorway leads through to the bathroom and then to the laundry room that we'll take a look at in a minute. Again, you see all the window openings at the top, allowing the light just to flow from the exterior into the main corridor of the house. Now this raised space is for our kitchen. We do have a drop in the concrete floor, so raising it allowed us to cover both the lower spot of the flooring and the upper to make our kitchen. And then here you see our new pantry that we've built. It's only an 8-foot wall. We've left it open to the top again just to let natural light pour over the top into this new pantry space. So take note here, you see a lot of old trim, old doors. This is all the extra material that was left over from other projects. We're trying to reuse as much as possible, trying to mix the old with the new. Even those 2 light fixtures that you see hanging in the kitchen, those are out of an old distillery complex out of the pump house. Those are originally painted white. We've got them cleaned up. They have some rust and patina on them, which adds a ton of character to the space. And you'll see throughout we've got some new light fixtures as well as some old that we've tried to reuse. So now we're entering the bathroom space. You see the old original brick wall. This is the exterior brick wall of the building space in front of it. Once again, we've used another old door to make our linen closet for the bathroom. And then this is the space we're planning to use the concrete utility sink that we had out of another project. And again, this is another reclaimed light fixture that we've made from an old pendant light. So walking through the rear of the restroom, it takes us into the utility room. So straight ahead will be the furnace. Then we've got a space for the washer and dryer beside that. Then at the back of the space, you'll see we've got our breaker box, breaker panel, and then we've also got a spot for the hot water heater. So now we exit back out into the main dining room, living room, kitchen space that we're in here. And you see the 2 doorway openings to our 2 bedrooms. These are both identical size with the really high ceilings you see. We do have, if you look through the inside, we've got some exposed spiral duct feeding through those spaces that is going to provide our heating and cooling. We do have the exterior cinder block wall, and then we have the new drywall walls on the interior. Both of these bedrooms have a nice sized closet that's been installed with those as well. We only went 8 foot just to allow the natural light to flow over, eliminating the need for another light fixture inside the closet. Here you can see from the main foyer area, these windows let the light from the bedroom windows flow through into the foyer and then all the way through into the living room space as well. Here we've got the second bedroom. It's identical to the first in size, really, and in finish as well. So we're going to wrap up this walkthrough by showing you the foyer that we came in originally. You can see we've got an old porch beam that we had saved probably 3 years ago from another project and just been trying to find the right place to use it. We got these light fixtures off of Amazon. They have 10 or 11 different light bulb housings that we wrapped around the beam, hanging them. And then you can see on the upper windows we've got, these are old storm windows we saved from another project, cut them down to make each individual window. And then the poplar trim you see around it are from old floor joists that we were able to cut down, slice, and then they just leave a lot of wear on them. You can see all the nail marks where they're black and stained on the edges. As always, we wanted to thank you for taking a look at our videos. We hope you like seeing these projects come together. We should have one final video showing this one as it nears completion and then turning it over to a new tenant to enjoy it as a new home. Thanks again. See you guys soon.